Vampire Village. Now we used to have over 1,000 villagers, but no one's been seen for over 100 years.
That's quite nice.
Free, don't be rude to him.
Don't
Set him off.
Our villagers were eaten by the local vampire,
Oh no.
and he's guarded by a host of stone gargoyles, and they don't like visitors, especially not little ones.
Especially little ones on a little estate.
That's why I said it. Use your head. Now a final word of warning before I let you go. The last people that did pass through here either turned back or were never seen again. So best of luck. Because you're on your own. Off you go.
Thanks.
Hey.
This is the worst bit. So I jumped up again.
Do you want me to come with you?
My friend got bitten by a vampire in there. Please don't go.
I'm scared of that.
You're next.
I'll be your 10 seconds. 10 seconds max. Let me see. I'm getting anxiety. I'm terrified. No, to go quick. How far? Keep going. You can see it.
I'm sorry.
All right.